Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be talking about on how to play Roblox. So Roblox is essentially going to download a client on your computer. Now over here, as we can see, we can't really just manually download it. I mean, you could, but there's an easier way. What you want to do is select any game that you want to do. Let's for now, let's just select Arsenal. And then next thing you want to do is press on this play button. Once you press on that play button, now since I have Roblox downloaded, it's just gonna ask me to open, and after a while it's gonna say download and install Roblox. Now if you don't have Roblox install, what you want to do is press on download and install. But since I have Roblox, what I want to do is open Roblox over there, and then after a little while Roblox should open up on my display, as you can see, starting Roblox. And that's about it. I'm gonna start playing Roblox now. That's it. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.